and welcome to Snug Harness TV. I am your host Doug, and today we are going to be giving you some tips and tricks for inspecting your harness. Now, you should inspect your harness every time you wear it. The first thing you want to do is check the webbing. You want to go through every square inch. We found is if you take about a 6-inch section and kind of push it together so you get that little inverted U shape and see if there are any tears, rips, scratches, frayed edges, or chemical damage. Next thing you want to check is your dorsal D-ring, or any D-ring for that matter. You want to check that, one, that it's not bent, because that's going to be a sign of any weakness. You also want to make sure that there's no cracks or deep scratches, anything that is going to compromise the integrity of the D-ring. And the final thing you want to look for on the D-ring is sharp edges, because sharp edges can actually cut through your webbing or damage the webbing. Next thing you want to do is take a look at where the webbing meets the buckles and or D-rings. Here again you want to inspect the webbing for tears, chemical damage, sun damage, and in general frays. And again, each buckle, making sure that there's no sharp edges digging into the webbing there. The next step is if you have tongue buckles on your harness, you want to take a look at the strap and make sure that all of the grommets, that would be the little metal circles in the tongue buckle, are snug, they're not loose, they're not pulling out, none of them are missing, would be another issue that you'd want to take a look at. If you have mating buckles on your harness, like these little guys, you'll want to make sure that the metal is straight, that there's no bending in there or distortion. You want to make sure that there are no sharp edges that can cut in or dig into webbing and cut that. And you want to make sure that there's no cracks or visible damages. Now, if you have quick connect buckles on your harness, you'll want to make sure that there's no bending, there's no distortion in any of the metal, there's no cracks on any of the metal, and that there are no sharp edges on any of the metal. Now, if you found any problems in your harness, you're going to want to make sure that you take it out of service. Now, the standard is 5 years. So if you go 5 years and your harness meets inspection every time you put it on, you still kind of need to get rid of it. If you never worn it, in 5 years, you should still probably get a new harness to be safe. If there is a defect, please take it out of service and put it somewhere, dispose of it, so nobody will accidentally use it. If you have any other questions, make sure to give us a call or to log on to our website. We've got fall protection experts that are ready to help you, www.snugharness.com. Thank you and have a great day.